Change my life with these weight loss tips. Are you struggling to shed those extra pounds? Discover the secret to fast and sustainable weight loss. Whether you're looking to slim down for health reasons or to boost your confidence, effective and long-lasting weight loss is within your reach. Embarking on a weight loss journey can be daunting, but achieving healthy weight loss is crucial for overall well-being. It's not just about looking good. It's about feeling great and maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Proper weight management helps prevent numerous health issues. Start with a balanced diet rich in whole foods. Focus on incorporating vegetables, fruits, lean proteins, and whole grains. These nutrient-dense foods provide essential vitamins and minerals, helping you feel full and satisfied while promoting overall health. Master portion control to avoid overeating. By being mindful of portion sizes, you can enjoy your favorite foods without consuming excess calories. Use smaller plates, measure servings, and listen to your body's hunger cues to prevent overindulgence. Incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Physical activity boosts your metabolism and helps burn calories, making it a crucial component of any weight loss plan. Choose activities you enjoy, whether it's walking, swimming, or dancing, to stay motivated and consistent. Cutting out sugary drinks is crucial for weight loss. These beverages are packed with empty calories, which can quickly add up. Opt for water or herbal tea instead. They hydrate without adding extra calories, helping you achieve your goals faster. High-intensity interval training, or HIIT, is a game changer. These short, intense bursts of exercise, followed by rest periods, maximize fat burning and boost metabolism. Incorporating HIIT into your routine can provide efficient workouts that fit even the busiest schedules. Tracking your progress keeps you motivated and accountable. Use a journal or app to record meals, workouts, and milestones. Seeing your achievements, no matter how small, can inspire you to stay on track and push further. Mindful eating helps prevent emotional eating. Focus on each bite, savoring the flavors and textures. This practice encourages healthier choices in portion control. By paying attention to your hunger and fullness cues, you can avoid overeating and make better food decisions. Consistency is crucial for long-term success. Regular habits like balanced meals and daily activity create lasting change. It's not about perfection, but persistence. Small, consistent efforts over time lead to sustainable weight loss and healthier living. Tracking your progress is essential for staying motivated. Use a journal, app, or photos to monitor changes. Seeing tangible results can fuel your determination, helping you stay focused and committed to your weight loss goals. Mindful eating involves being present during meals. Pay attention to hunger cues, savor each bite, and avoid distractions like TV. This practice helps prevent overeating and fosters a healthier relationship with food. Consistency is vital for long-term success. Adopting healthy habits and sticking to them daily ensures gradual but sustainable weight loss. Remember, quick fixes are often temporary. Long-lasting results come from persistent, steady effort. Common mistakes include skipping meals, over-reliance on fad diets, and neglecting exercise. Avoiding these pitfalls can make your weight loss journey smoother and more effective. Focus on balanced nutrition and regular physical activity for optimal results. Experts emphasize the importance of balanced diets and regular exercise. Studies show that combining these elements leads to sustainable weight loss and improved health. Trust in proven methods backed by scientific research for the best outcomes. Seeing tangible results can be highly motivating. Before and after photos showcase the effectiveness of a weight loss journey. They serve as visual proof that change is possible, encouraging others to stay committed to their own goals. Utilizing the right tools and resources can make a significant difference. Fitness apps, nutrition trackers, and wearable devices help monitor progress and maintain accountability. These tools provide valuable insights and streamline the weight loss process, making it more manageable. Having a support system or weight loss buddy can be incredibly beneficial. Sharing the journey with someone else fosters accountability and motivation. Whether it's family, friends, or online communities, support systems offer encouragement and celebrate milestones together. Addressing common questions is essential for clarity and confidence. Viewers often have queries about diet, exercise, or overcoming plateaus. Providing answers helps demystify the process and equips individuals with the knowledge they need to succeed. Recapping the tips reinforces their importance. A brief summary of the 10 strategies serves as a quick reference guide, ensuring viewers remember key points. Consistent reinforcement helps solidify the concepts, making them easier to implement in daily life. Embarking on your weight loss journey can be challenging, but remember that every small step counts. Stay positive and committed to your goals. Change won't happen overnight, but with determination and perseverance, you can achieve the healthy body you desire. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful and are ready to take your weight loss journey to the next level, check out the link in the description that can support your goals. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more weight loss tips, and hit the notification bell for updates on our latest content. Share your thoughts in the comments below, and let's keep motivating each other on this journey together.